everybody, welcome to today's video. So I am on my way to Magic Kingdom. You might gather I'm not with anybody else because Nathaniel was quite poorly in the night, so he is now asleep in the room and I am venturing out to the Polynesian because I just thought I was a bit bored in the room. It is 10:49, so I'm just going to go and have a little mooch around the Polynesian. I've got my refillable mug to fill up at the freestyle machines that we don't have here at Port Orleans Riverside, so it should be some good fun. Ready to the Magic Kingdom. Now I'm going to walk across and go get the monorail to the Polynesian. I made it to the Polynesian. I got some pictures taken in the lobby. I had to get the boat over because the monorail was down, but then the monorail came back up when I was on the boat, I think. So I might get that back a bit later. So this morning was originally supposed to be Magic Kingdom. Obviously with Nathaniel being a bit poorly, my mum just went down to the desk and we were able to move our single pass and multi-pass to a different day on our trip. So that's good to know that you can move them, but they're not refundable, I don't think. So I've just been walking around the Polynesian for a bit. It is so beautiful here. I would definitely stay here. Definitely on my list. It's so peaceful. Not by the pool because it was quite noisy by the main pool, but just walking around. It is very, very hot. I think the real feel actually for a few days ago was 110. So I've got my resort mug full of water. It's so gorgeous.
I think it's good to have it like you're after work, for some of the stuff.
I made it back to the resort and now I'm going to go see how everybody is and get some food, and then I might go in the pool, and then later on this evening we have Hollywood Studios after hours, so that should be good fun and we should be able to get on lots of rides. We haven't visited Hollywood Studios yet. Nathaniel's feeling a lot better and it is 6:41 and we're heading for the after hours. Studios has the best bus music, bus depot music. Is it depot or a depot?
It's depot.
Depot.
They call it a depot.
I think it's a depot. Has the best music. Yeah. I hope everybody's treating the way.
You just listen to the music.
We made it into the after hours and it's only 15 minutes past 7. So it started at 7. So this is a separate ticketed event. You have to book. Was it $150 per person? I feel like it was about that.
Something like that.
About that. We have our wristbands.
I just paid.
And our map. And our map.
See the sky fireworks pageant every single night.
That was supposed to happen in the start.
Your third stop.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Oh yeah.
The world's safest planet in the galaxy on hyperspace.
Like it just takes 5 minutes to get to it.
Testing. This thing on. Can you all hear me? Relaxing right around the corner. Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! Not a chance! We'll be right down!
That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's come
Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. What's this lever do?
I'm so happy here. I just have to sing.
You've got a friend in me.
In a minute, let me get you up.
I didn't even end the vlog yesterday, Nathaniel. How bad is that? Okay, what do we think of After Hours? Did you like After Hours? Yeah. Yeah? We said that we liked it, but we didn't know whether we would do it again. Just because it was quite busy. What did we get on? We got on Star Tours. We got on all the rides we wanted to get on. We got on Star Tours, Mickey and Minnie's. What else did we do? Star Tours, Mickey and Minnie's, Slinky Dog, Toy Story Mania, and Rise of the Resistance. Which Rise was the biggest wait. It was like 50 minutes. It was a lot busier than we thought it was going to be, but we did get quite a lot of drinks. We actually didn't end up getting any snacks because we were all a bit full and didn't really want anything. But I think it's probably a one and done, but we're glad that we did it. It was a good experience. Should I show you all the drinks in our fridge? Let me show you all the... And these are all our drinks. Fully stocked.
Can you just do
So today and yesterday, me and Nathaniel bought lots of pins. Well, we bought mystery pin packs. So we're going to open them. So I have 3. I'm going to start with the mini Mix-Its one. I think you just have to rip it, Nathaniel. Destroy the box. Scissors are in there. There we go. Which one did I get? Oh. Oh, I got Pluto. That's really cute. That's fun. Pardon? Yeah, I'm opening the other one. Let's see what this one is. Being a surprise and trying to look at it. Which one did you get, Nathaniel?
I got moves.
Oh, I got Mickey! That is cool.
This is the one.
Which one did you get? You got Cruella de Vil. The final got Cruella de Vil. Cruella de Vil.
Is she the mum of Cruella?
No, I think that's just Cruella.
Oh.
Right, which one should I do next? I'm gonna do the, what is it? Princess pastries. I want to get Tiana. Wait, which ones do I want? I would like, I don't really want Rapunzel or Ariel.
Where's my bag?
Which one is it? Which one is this one? That's the one. Oh, I got Rapunzel. Yay! That one. Next one. This is fun. Buy more of these. Oh, the final got Hades.
Okay.
That is, yeah, he did.
Charger there.
That's cool. You see that? Hades, very cool. There you go. Which one is this one? Oh, this one is Snow White. Look, it's got the apple on it. That's cool. Apple at the top. Right, last box. This is fun. Do this all the time. Pin unboxings. Yeah, it's like Christmas. Oh, look. It's pumpkin.
It's a pumpkin one
Yeah.
with the little mices out of
The Cinderella pumpkin. Can you see that?
Mices are cool.
Mices. They probably have names. Right, that's fun. Oh, this is a bit fun. It's fun. Who is that? Oh. I don't know who that is.
Let me see that. Oh. I don't know who that is, to be honest. Wait,
Must
I
be
think
something from Robin Hood, I think.
no, I think they think there's an animal version of Robin Hood. That's it.
Just want to focus on it.
Yeah, that's it.
There we go. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you real soon. Bye. I think I'll say bye. Bye.